Cold start of the 2005 Polaris Predator after general service. Don't want to run it too long because I just primed the carburetor. Just did a basic carburetor cleaning, spark plug, oil change, new sprocket, ran a wire, can't really see it in the video, but a wire from the battery all the way up to the front there where I'm going to mount some 1500 lume LED fog lights. Next I got to change the front tires. I already changed one of the front control arms that was bent. The black one on the bottom there. Got the exhaust wrapped up in exhaust wrap. Actually, I did that in the fall. So it was burning my leg pretty good. Next up, I gotta get a new fender because this one here is cracked pretty good. K&N air filter, just gave it a quick cleaning with the kit. And that's pretty much all I got to do this year. Has brand new back tires on it, brand new back brakes. Need to adjust the chain still. Maybe change the battery, hard to say. And that's pretty much it.